Hey there, marketing managers and business owners. Are you ready to transform your social media management? I'm Bob Randklev, and today I'm thrilled to show you how to streamline your social media strategy using the AI-powered social media planner from HighLevel. Imagine having all your social media channels managed in one place. No more jumping between platforms, no more wasted time. With HighLevel's AI-enabled social media planner, it's possible. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through everything from connecting your social media accounts, generating AI-driven content, to scheduling posts across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Whether you're a busy entrepreneur or a digital marketing pro, this tool has got you covered. First, let's connect your social media accounts. HighLevel makes it easy. When you log in on the left side, you'll go down to Marketing, and Social Planner will be the first tab that pops up. Here you'll be prompted to click and connect to Facebook. Log in, accept the connection, and the integration is complete. Repeat for Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, as many as you'd like to integrate. Once you're integrated, you simply click New Post, create new posts. For example, we'll use Facebook. You can post your story, type in your content. And let's start with AI. We can generate with AI, giving it a content title, a brief description, adding in the keywords, the number of variations, select your writing tone, and your length, small, medium, large, or a custom length. And within moments, you'll have content written by AI. You could also create images. Create an image using AI, and give it a descriptive explanation of what you want the image to look like. Choose your variations, choose the type, and generate. Scheduling your post is a breeze. You can send posts for approval if you have an assistant helping, or you can schedule picking dates and times on the calendar, or use the planner, pick a future date, hit the plus, and it will take you to the scheduling page. Plan your content calendar days, weeks, even months in advance, effortlessly keeping your audience engaged. Ready to take control of your social media management? Click the link below to get started. Plus, join our free AI marketing community for tips, support, and networking with like-minded professionals.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos.